unboxing. This is another unboxing video on ProTinkerToys.com, and we're unboxing the Helix from IMAX. These are basically Robogear miniature models that you put together. This is a Russian game that was designed in Russia about 20 years ago. But it's really cool. These are what the miniatures look like when you paint them. And they have little projectiles that shoot. They're really neat. Okay. And here's, I'm going to open one up. You get one to a box. They come in a box, and the instructions are on the back. Okay. All right. And they're snapped together, or you can glue them. And they come with the miniature, the instructions, and also the battle card, because this is a game that you can play. And there's 9 different figures. This is the Helix, okay, and it's kind of like a mobile missile launcher. Comes with 2 missiles, and they can shoot, and you can shoot at other figures. You snap it together. It's very easy. Look, you snap this out like this, and you just push it right together. What's wrong with your face? Okay, and so this is a really cool. This is the Helix. We're going to be doing 9 videos each day. This is the Helix.